A particle of mass 1 kg initially resting at origin starts moving under the influence of a force F equal to 4TQ I cap minus 3T square J cap. If the speed of particle at t is equal to 1 is root alpha, then value of alpha is. So here the force F is given as 4TQ I cap minus 3T square J cap. So the particle has a mass of 1 kg, that is force is equal to mass times acceleration, that is m is 1. So this is ax I cap plus ay j cap is equal to 4tq I cap minus 3t square j cap. So ax is 4tq, that is ax is 4tq. Ax is dvx dt is 4tq, or integration dvx is equal to integration 4tq dt. Now from 0 t is equal to 0 to 1, the velocity vx is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, it starts from origin, so at when it's starting, its velocity is 0 to vx. So this becomes the integration of dvx is vx is equal to 4tq, that is tq, that the integration is tq of tq is t to the power 4 by 4, that is t to the power 4, and the limit is 0 to 1. So vx is 1. Similarly, ay is minus 3t square, that is ay is minus 3t square. Ay is dvy dt. So in dvy, integration dvy is equal to minus 3 integration t square dt. So the limit of t is 0 to 1 and vy is 0 to vy. So integration dvy is vy, and this is t square is tq by 3, that is minus 3 by 3 tq, and the limit is 0 to 1. So this becomes minus 1. So vx is 1 and vy is minus 1. So v is, the speed is root over vx square plus vy square. So vx is 1, that is 1 square plus of minus 1 is 1 square. So it becomes root 2. So v, that is the speed is root 2, and it is given as root alpha. So this is equal to root alpha. So alpha is basically 2. So the value of alpha is 2.